Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Zoom on desktop. If you are new to Zoom or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom desktop app on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the official Zoom website. Once the app is open, you'll see the three options: join a meeting, sign up, and sign in. Here, click on sign in. After that, Zoom will take you to the login page. Here you need to enter the email ID and password you signed up with. Once you do that, you will be signed in and ready to use Zoom. If you haven't signed up yet, you can easily log in using single sign-on, Apple ID, Google, or Facebook. In the case of single sign-on, you need to enter your company domain and click on continue to login. If you are using Google, select your Google account and click continue to login. For Apple ID, enter the email and click on continue to login. If you are logging in with Facebook, make sure you are already logged in, then click continue to login. Choose the option that works best for you. It's quick and easy. Now that you are logged in, you will be able to join or host meetings. And that's it. Now you know how to log into Zoom on desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.